YouTube changed my life with just 2,000 subscribers, and this happened within 3 months. In this video, I am going to tell you how it happened, why I think it happened, and how you can make it happen for yourself. As you can see, I do not have a million subscribers. I did not go viral, and I am not famous, but YouTube changed my life. And today, with just 2,000 subscribers, I want to share how it happened. About 3 years ago, I did not start my YouTube channel because I felt confident, ready, or had everything figured out. I started YouTube because I needed an outlet. I needed consistency, and I needed somewhere my voice could live. Today, with just about 2,000 subscribers, YouTube has transformed my discipline, my confidence, my creativity, and my ability to impact people. And in this video, I want to share how it happened. Before YouTube, I was a high-performing person. Well, I still am. I had skills, I had ideas, I had ambitions, but I was underexpressed. I had always been drawn to acting, modeling, speaking, and visual creativity. Over time, life led me to other career paths. I grew there, I learned there, but something was missing. I wasn't lost, but I felt fully underexpressed. I knew there was something more. There was so much more inside of me with nowhere to go. No outlet, no platform, no space to be seen. That was when YouTube entered my life. When I started YouTube, I had no clarity, no confidence, no perfect plan. I did not feel ready, but I started anyway. And that single decision changed everything. Because you do not become confident before you start. You become confident because you start. Every video taught me something. How to speak better, I am still learning. How to show up, and how to trust myself. One of the biggest ways YouTube changed my life was through consistency. I learned how to show up even when I do not feel like it. Even when I was tired, even when motivation was low. YouTube taught me discipline, and discipline changed my life. YouTube did not just teach me how to create content. It taught me how to keep my word to myself. Just recently, I completed a 12 video series on this channel where I got to share my parenting experience as an African mother raising children here in the Netherlands. 12 videos, one clear theme, finished. And all I shared on that video is my life as an African mother raising children in the Netherlands. I reflected on what I consider the Dutch parenting style, the culture, the contrasts, the growth. This series did not just happen by accident. It happened because YouTube trained me to stay focused, stay committed, and finish what I started. And today, I am reaping the reward of that discipline with just 2,000 subscribers. Remember, I mentioned that this series had 12 videos. Did all the videos do well? No. But guess what? One video picked up and everything changed. Just one video. This is because even though the views were low and sometimes the motivation was low, I still showed up. I stayed consistent and I expressed myself. I literally just shared my experience. And one video, just one video, did it for me. I said this to share how YouTube trained me to show up, how YouTube trained me to be consistent, and how today I am reaping the reward just because I showed up. Now, this is how you can make it happen for you. Using my life experience, before YouTube happened, Life led me to other career paths. I grew there, I learned there. But then again, life keeps on happening. And this time, life shifted. I relocated to the Netherlands. I became pregnant. I became a mother. Everything familiar changed. New country, new system, new identity. And while experiencing these life changes, YouTube became a constant. It became a place where I could express myself. It became a place where I could think out loud, create, still contribute. I began to share my experience at every stage of my life. During my pregnancy, as a new mother, and now as a mother to toddlers. YouTube became my outlet. As a mother navigating life in a new country, YouTube reminded me that I was still a whole person with ideas, with skills, not just surviving, but still becoming. And over time, YouTube became more than an expression. And this is how you can make it happen for you. Start YouTube. Just start now. Make it your outlet. Make it your ways to express yourself. As a matter of fact, you can literally pick up your phone and think out loud on YouTube. Turn it into a content. Turn it into a content that someone can relate to or relate with and feel seen. Make it inspiring. Make it motivating. Ask questions. Find clarity. This is it. Make YouTube your source of expression and stay consistent while at it. Trust me, at the beginning, you do not have to figure it out. But one thing is sure, as long as you keep showing up, you will keep learning and getting better one content at a time. I built my business from YouTube with just 2,000 subscribers and a combination of over 400,000 views. I have built a real community, real conversations, real impacts, provide solutions. I have answered questions. And this is how you can make it happen for yourself. I am not where I desire to be, but I am a living proof that consistency compounds. And yes, today I get paid to express ideas that were already inside me. YouTube brought me full cycle. It gave me my voice back. It gave me space to be seen. YouTube did not make me someone new. It helped me come back to myself. And so, if you are a mother, especially a stay-at-home mother, or a parent, and you do not know where to start, pick up your phone and start creating. You do not need a serious setup. I use my phone, and this is where I am today. You do not have to put your family online if you do not want to. YouTube can simply be an outlet, a place to learn discipline, commitment, and focus. And yes, you do not need a niche either. Like I always say, I am the niche. Every season of my life is the niche. You can be the niche in every season of your life, just like me. Start giving value. Start sharing what you know. Start impacting life. I always say to myself, my focus is one person. If I can better the life of just one person through my contents, through my ideas, through my thought process, then my mission is accomplished. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And you do not need permission to begin. So yes, YouTube changed my life. I relocated to the Netherlands. I became pregnant. I became a mother. I started giving value. I started sharing what I know. And then YouTube happened. If you are thinking about starting YouTube, but fear has been holding you back, just start. Start anyway. You do not need perfection. You do not need thousands of subscribers. All you need is courage. So, if you are a mother, a stay at home mother, or a stay at home parent that is considering starting your YouTube channel, and like I said, have no idea where to start, how to start, I have created a free YouTube checklist for beginners to help you start simply and clearly. You will find the link to this checklist in the description. I will be happy to answer your questions. I will be happy to direct you. Feel free to ask me questions. Feel free to contact me for clarity or direction. But most importantly, I wish you all the best. Remember, you do not need permission to begin. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.